Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we're ready to start again, so here we go. So you're going to start with your left foot, and you're going to do left, right. And you're going to do like a heel swivel with your right heel, and it's going to go in, out, okay? So it goes left, right. And you move that heel, that right heel, from starting in, out. So I'm going to face you guys for a second just to show you. My left foot's going to go back and I go left, right. Okay? So, goes left, right, right, left. It's hard to do slow, but because I have to explain it, I'm going to try my best. So starting with your left foot, you do left, right, and right, left. And the same thing with the left foot, goes in, out. Okay? So again, left, right, right, left. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, right, left. Awesome. Okay. From there, you're going to step your right foot in front. You're going to do rocking forward, back. You're going to do a coaster step. So it's going to be right, left, right. So let's go from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, right, left. And stepping forward, back, right, left, right. Good. Let's do it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. And rock. Forward, right, left, right. Good. I lied. We're going to do it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. And right, left, right, left, right. Good. Then you're going to use your left foot and step left, right, and do a coaster step, and it's going to be left, right, left. Good. Let's do it again from the beginning. Starting with that left foot. Your left foot goes back. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, and right, left, in, left, right, in. Very good. We're going to do it one more time. A little bit faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, left, and right, left, in, left, right, in. Good. One more time. We're going to do it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, left, and right, left, right. Good. Your left foot should be in front. From here, you're going to cross your right foot over, right, and now your left foot is going to go back. You're going to kind of be on an angle, and then you're going to bring your right foot in. Okay, good. So we have our left foot in front, and we're going to cross our right foot over, back, together. Good. Let's do it again. Left foot's in front, and right, left, right. Good. Again. Left foot's in front, and right, left, right. Very good. Let's do it again from the beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, left, and right, left. Coaster step. Left, right, left, in. Now from here, you're going to bring your left foot over your right. Left, right foot's going to go back on an angle, and you're going to bring your left foot in. So again, let's go from where we just finished the last coaster step. So our left foot is in front. We're going to cross the right foot over, right, left, in. Then left foot crosses over your right, in. Good. Again from the very beginning. And 6, 7, 8. Left, left, and right, left. Coaster step, left, right, coaster step, right, left, in. And of course, it's a little bit faster. So let's have our left foot in front, finishing that last coaster step. And let's do that part a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, in. That's about the speed of it for the music. Again, one more time. Left foot's in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, in. Good. One more time from the very beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, and right, left, right, in. Okay, so let's go again from right, left, in, left, right from here. You're gonna step your right foot in front of your left. You're gonna go left, right, and then right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so let's go from the right, left, in, left, right, in. Finishing that last coaster step. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, in, left, right, in. You're stepping your right foot in front. Right, left, left. So you're kind of switching your feet in front and behind. So it is right, left, left. Now we have our left foot in front. You're gonna step your right foot out to the side and you're gonna bring it right, left, in. So it's like you're transferring weight. So your weight's on the right foot, your weight's on the left foot, then it comes in. Okay? So again, let's go from the right, left, in, left, right, in. 5, 6, 7, in. Right, left, in, left, right, in. Right, left, left, in. Good. So one more time. From the crossing over with our right foot. 5, 6, 7, in. Right, left, in, left, right, in. Right, left, left, in. Now you're going to bring your left foot in front and go left, right. So your left foot crosses in front first, and then it crosses behind. So it goes left, right, and then left, right, in. Good. So let's go from this part. So we just finished this. Ready? Starting with your right foot. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, in, left, right, in. Very good. Let's go from the very beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8, left, left, and right, left, coaster step, left, right, coaster step, right, left, in, left, right, in, right, left, left, in, left, right, in. Good. Are we good? All right, we're gonna move on. So now from here, you're gonna bring your right foot in front and you're gonna cross. You're not gonna cross actually, you're gonna put your weight down, right, left, like you're doing a rocking chair. You rock forward, back, and then rock back, forward. So again, rocking forward, back, forward. Then we're gonna do a half turn, stepping on that right foot. Half turn, turning to our left, half a turn together. Okay? So again, it is right, left, half a turn together. Good. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, half a turn together. We step our right foot in, and then we're gonna step it again, doing right, left, so that right foot comes in front, right, left, turning to our left, together. Good. Let's go from this step here, okay? So we just finished the crossing over steps. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, in, left, right, in. Right, left, half a turn together. Right, left, half a turn together. Good. Continuing on, we're going to do a grapevine to our right, and it's going to go right, left, behind, right, together, left, behind, left, together. So again, it is right, together, left, together. Good. Let's go from this step. Alright, ready? And 5, 6, 7, and right, left, together. Left, together. Forward, back, forward, half a turn together. And it's right, left, half a turn together. Grapevine to the right, left, in, left, in. Good. We're almost done. Now you're going to step your right heel out, and then step your left heel out. So it's going to go right, left. So 2 slow heels. So you step 1, 2, then you're going to do 4 quick heels. So again, it is 2 slow, 4 fast. So right, go right, left. And that's the end of the dance. Well, and then you continue on with a new wall. But let's go again. So it's right, left, and right, left. Good. One more time. Let's go from the grapevine. Right, left, in, left, in, right. Left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have your left heel up. And if you don't, that's okay. Just do a quick switch. And then that's the end of the dance. And then we can't speak. And then we would continue on to a new wall. So let's try with the new wall. I'm not going to explain anything too much. I'm going to kind of go through it a little bit quicker on this wall. Okay, ready? And 5, 6. We step with our left foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, and right, left, in, left, right, in, left, in, left, in. Good. Now I'm lost. And then we go right, left, transferring the weight together. Left, right, transferring the weight together. Right, left, half a turn in. Right, left, half a turn in. Grapevine to the right. And the left. And slow, and right, left. Good. New wall, same dance. Ready? Starting with that left foot goes back. And 6, 7, left, left, and right, left. This is the coaster step. Left, coaster step. Crossover, and right, left, left, in, left, right, in. Rocking chair. Back and half a turn together. Right, left, half a turn together. Grapevine to the right and to the left. And slow, and right, left. Good. Again, new wall, same dance. Always start back with your left foot first and the right heel comes out. And 6, 7, 8, left, left, and right. Left is a coaster step. Left, coaster step. Right, left, in, left, in, right, left. Transfer the weight together. Left, right, transfer the weight together. Rocking chair forward. Back and half a turn together. And forward. This right foot, half a turn together. Grapevine to the right. And the left. Now, slow, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to remind you guys, the slow heels, it starts with right, left, and right, left. Good. And that is the whole dance. I hope you guys liked it. If it was a little confusing, just rewatch the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And please stay tuned for this dance with the music. It will be out very soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.